It's not easy at all, but we are going to use algebraic method to solve this. Watch this out. Alright, so we have, this is a linear form, alright? This is in linear form, while this in what? In an exponential form. So what we are going to do is that, let me represent the whole of this with a variable. I can choose any letter of my choice. So I can select y to be equal to 6 plus x. So if y is equal to 6 plus x, what is x? So let's say that 6 plus x is equal to y, right? So that we are going to have x is equal to y. When plus crosses, we're going to have minus 6. So y is this. So what we are going to do is that, let's replace this equation in the given equation above and see what we are going to have. So our x is y minus 6. Y we have our x here. Y 6 plus x here is y. So this now becomes 5 to the power of minus our x here is what? Is y minus 6 equal to 6 plus x here is seen as y. This is equal to y. Now let's open up the bracket. Minus times y will give you 5 to the power of minus y. Minus minus is plus 6 equal to y. So let's look for a way we can eliminate this y. Of course, if you add, now remember, this has a natural power of 1. Alright? Now let's add, we are looking for a way we can eliminate this y. So if you add y to both sides, we are going to clear this y. Let's take this out. So this now becomes 5 to the power of minus y plus 6 plus y is equal to y to the power of 1 plus y. Okay? Now this is what we are going to have. This will cancel out, and we are going to left with 5 to the power of 6 is equal to y to the power of 1 plus y. Now let's look for a way we can clear this one as well. Of course, if you subtract both powers by 1, we are going to do that. Watch this out. So this one becomes 5 to the power of 6 minus 1 equals to y to the power of 1 plus y minus 1. So this one cancel out. Alright, this. So we are left with 6 minus 1 will give you 5. So this one becomes 5 to the power of 5 is equal to, now this is y to the power of y. So let's compare the equation. Now this implies that the value of y is equal to 5. But we are not looking for the value of y. So we are looking for the value of x. So let's substitute this value of y to the given equation and see what we are going to have. Alright, so remember that we established a very sweet statement that our value of x is equal to y minus 6. So since we have gotten our y to be 5, so let's put it back in this equation and see what we are going to have. So x is now equal to, our y here is 5, so 5 minus 6.